Totoo, real talk talaga yun. It's true. It's gonna be combined. So parang total income, your pay, you need to allot some savings. Hello fam! Good morning! Maayong buntag Calgary, maayong buntag Canada, and maayong gabi Pilipinas. Good evening! Let's start our video for today. And syempre, ano pa nga ba kung hindi daddy's duty tayo today, which is maghahatid sa ating mga anak. And mommy is here. Very special. First task done. Kasama ko si mommy today. And medyo parang bibihira lang tong kasama ko ang mommy. So
Maghatid.
Maghatid. Laging si daddy na lang. So ayun, since nalabas na namin na si mommy ay may second part-time job, we've gotten a couple of questions dun sa vlog.
And comments.
Yeah, and comments dun sa video. So let's start with Queen Bea. Maybe yung kay Bea muna kasi very interesting talaga. And totoo, real talk talaga yun. So thanks Queen Bea for adding that comment. So first thing is about the taxes. Yes, it's true. It's gonna be combined. So parang total income, all income around the world naman ata yan. And that will be the amount that will be used for your taxes, love,
Yeah.
next year. Yeah. And then the second point of Queen Bea is a very good one. And thanks again for reminding us this, that with your pay, you need to allot some savings. Kasi
Money for your tax.
yes, kasi magkakaroon or lalaki na ang taxes mo. So ayun yung parang pagkakamali nung iba na, well, ganun naman talaga din ang feeling natin na once na nandito na sa atin ang pera, we could spend it atin na talaga. But remember, nagka-calculate pa ang government ng taxes after the year. So we wouldn't really know if yun yung final tax mo, like after, or meron ka pang dadagdagan, which is owing ka ngayon sa taxes. And I assume na mag-owing ka talaga lang kasi your income increased
Yeah.
for this year. So Queen Bea, thank you for reminding us and the suggestion na mag-save na. So after each pay, love, you need to
Save.
save. Ayan. So thank you again. And yeah, madami pang comments dun. Actually, very good nga eh. Kasi madaming nagre-react and ganun yung naiisip nila. For us naman kasi, when it comes to income and taxes, kahit na nasa Singapore kami, nagyayabangan kami nito ni Donna eh. Hindi income ang basehan namin
Tax.
kung magkano ang tax, kung gaano kalaki ang tax na binabayad mo. Ganun kami mag-calculate ko. Oh, are you doing good or not? So pag
Although
malaki,
iba yung tax sa Singapore, once a year lang tayo.
yeah, once
dito
a
kasi,
year lang, that's right.
Dito kasi yearly din naman, but
Yeah.
may
Pero
deduction.
doon kasi parang hindi substantial yung taxes. So dito, yeah, so yun yung pinagkaiba. Yung Singapore, medyo magaan kahit na nagyayabangan kami. Tingin nga, sino mas malaking tax? Yun. So, dito, magiging ganun din yan. Sino ang mas malaking tax sa amin? Kasi isa lang naman ang ibig sabihin ng mas malaking tax eh. Malaki din ang income mo. So yun lang yun. That's it.
Yeah.
The other question is, masusustain ba nung katawan mo yung ginagawa mo for that bigger income? So ngayon, may double shift ka na, love, and all. So yun pa yung ipa-find out natin.
Well,
But we entered this, or she entered this, with a game plan. So, di-discuss namin next time kung ano yung game plan na yon. And another comment dun. Actually, siya yung first comment. Shout out to you. Mommy or Mama of Two?
Mama of two.
Mama
Ann.
of Two Ann. Ayan, so sasagutin na ni Donna ng live.
So, sinabi niya, meron akong 2 job. Baka, paano daw yung time ko with the kids.
Yeah.
And paano ko na ma-manage yung oras. Kasi meron din daw siyang 2 kids. Tapos isa lang yung part-time niya. Pero nahihirapan siya ng sobra. Yung sa akin naman, although pinasok tong two jobs na to, both part-time, sobrang flexible ng oras. I can give away, I can take shifts. So, hindi siya yung paguran talaga. Kasi, I am the one who's giving the availability sa Marriott. And dito naman sa Westjet, sobrang flexible ng time kasi marami kang pwedeng pag-trade ng shift. Kung gusto mong more hours, so pick up ka lang. Gusto mong less hours, ipamigay mo lang. For sure, there is co-worker mo na kukuha nung
Shift na yun. Lalo na
oras
pag yung
mo.
mga holiday, double pay yun eh.
Oo, exactly. So,
Double pay.
so marami pa rin akong oras sa kids. At yun yung pinagustuhan ko dun kasi flexible. Pwede akong, pag may event ang mga bata or gusto kong kasama yung mga bata, I can just take leave. I can just take off.
Yeah.
Without disturbing anyone. Parang ganon. Although I have 2 jobs kasi tinry ko din ng hotel at saka airlines for, syempre, may perks din tayo. Both work. So, okay na rin sa amin na parang hindi naman ako ganon nahihirapan.
Yeah.
At importante talaga yung oras ko sa bata at syempre sa pamilya.
That's true. And remember, Ann, close na kami.
Ah,
So, mommy to Ann. So, malamang your name is Ann. So, remember, Ann, work from home ako. So, yun yung isa sa
perks
malaking dahilan kung bakit si Donna kaya niyang magganito.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi siya nag-worry kung sino ang maghahatid, magsusundo,
Yeah,
may
isa pa
makakain ba ang kids, may magbabantay ba sa kids. Kasi andito lang ako sa bahay.
Yep.
And the good thing about our company then is very open sila when it comes to family. So,
Yeah.
even if nasa meeting ako, which of course you don't want to take advantage of that. But even if nasa meeting ako, pag may emergency, like biglang nagdugo ang ilong ni Davon at one time.
Nasa
or,
work ako, tapos
Oo,
si Lawrence pwede siya.
Yeah, so ako, I could cut off the meeting. Iwan ko muna sila. Kasi
Then, babalik.
seniors naman ang lahat ng kasama ko eh. Susunduin ko yung anak ko. Balik lang ako dito. Tan. So parang walang nangyari. So very good yung company ko din in a sense sa mga ganun. It's really family first for them. Kasi they know naman that you really give your all. Kahit nga gabi, minsan, I was able to share this previously na deployment gabi.
Yeah.
It's part of my role. It's not paid, blah, blah, blah. Kasi senior naman ako sa company. So, it's not like you're a rank and file na you need to file overtime. No, I
Yeah.
don't have all those perks kasi nasa management level ako. So, ganun. We're very blessed and thankful na ganito yung work ko. Work from home ako. Maasikaso ko yung mga kids. Si Donna naman,
I'm blessed then with 2 jobs, which is
blessed siya
flexible.
with 2 jobs, flexible.
And
Of course,
bahay.
may dahilan talaga yan kung bakit siya nag-second job.
Yeah.
I-discuss namin sa next video. And probably on the next video, our game plan kung bakit. Okay? So, see you later. So, tapos na ang araw ng daddy today. So, kakabalik lang kasi ng CTO namin. That's why, grabe yung mga meetings ko. And isa ako sa direct employee niya or helper in a sense. So, yeah, we have a lot of upcoming projects. So, ngayon, hapon na, susunduin na naman natin si Lianica. Kita ko lang sa inyo kung ano ang ginagawa ng aking kuya Davon. He's 5 years old and he's trying to make... Who is that again? Steve from Minecraft. There you go. Galing. So slowly, train na natin sila maging tech savvy but hindi pwedeng sobrang grabe kasi madadamage naman yung eyes nila. Ayun, so again, thanks again for watching. Yan, dun sa mga nanonood sa amin, 60% of you are not subscribed. So please consider subscribing kung gusto niyo yung mga content na ganito. Buhay Canada, bakasyon, araw-araw. Well, lagi niyo ako nakikitang sumusundo sa mga anak ko. Basically, the routine that we have here in Canada. Of course, hindi mawawala yung IRCC news and mga updates na news for our immigration. Kasi sobrang helpful niyan sa mga kababayans natin all around the world. Okay, so see you again on the next video. And hopefully may na-share kami maganda on this video. This would be a couple of episodes for Donna's new work, discussing on why did she get, what's our plan. Hindi kami papasok sa isang sitwasyon na walang plano. So either matutupad ang plano or hindi, but at least we tried, right? So i-discuss namin on the next videos to come. So maayong hapon, maayong gabi, maayong buntag sa tanan sa Calgary, Canada, and Pilipinas. So see you on the next video, fam. And hang loose!